received our application, and we had a argument and counter argument on both the sides. And the Honorable Court, enquired the IO, who has, I think today specially appointed, for this particular case, as well as heard the arguments of the prosecution also. And apart from that, personally, I'm in the personal capacity of the complainant, we are appearing before the court. The application, after hearing all the arguments, the Honorable Court, allowed my application to record the statement of the victim under 164 CRPC, and now it has passed the order. It has passed the order to record the statement today. Apart from this, as a matter, as you know, this is a high-profile case, involving a severe security threat is there for the complainant. I think the court is looking to take the measures of the security arrangements, possibly after taking the required, I think instructions and basically the inputs from the security and the VIP security. Possibly they will fix the timings. Accordingly, we will preserve today. Yes, very much, sir. Very much.
What about the complainant bringing up to the court, or you are bringing the lady here?
8-member, security also to the woman. So do you feel that much security is more than enough now, or
as of now, I think the state government has provided, I think, good security
the family
to that.
members of the girl are claiming that she has been kidnapped,
Okay.
and she has been taken by DK Shivakumar to Goa, and they have also sent DK Shivakumar's daughter to give money to her in Goa. Is that true? She is in Goa,
Somebody-
or she is in Bangalore,
somebody-
where she has been kidnapped? What is she saying?
She is a lonely woman who has been victimized by the accused, who is at large and a politician, and staying alone in this particular situation. If she has approached many people, including DK Shivakumar, I don't know whether it is true or wrong. She has approached me also. In that case, I cannot be claimed as an accused, right? In the case, I am helping her under the dignity of a professional advocate. What's wrong in that, you tell me?
So is she in Bangalore,
I'm
or
sure,
where is she?
yes, 100% she is in Bangalore City now.
She'll be attending the court today.
Now, so immediately she will attend. She is just waiting for the security. And for your kind information, already the state government security has protecting her now.
But you said you don't have hope in SIT.
Even now, I don't have. And for the same reason, IO has been
So
changed
you
in this
mean to
particular
say state
case.
government has given security to her in Bangalore?
Yeah.
They have given?
Yeah.
The police is aware. Where is she now?
Very much.
So now the SIT has also asked for her interrogation. So after she gives a statement to the magistrate,
To this date, we are only receiving notice to cooperate with the investigation. There is no summons or warrant against my complainant in this particular case. That is only I think here and say there. Otherwise, there is no on record that SIT is asking for a custody. And what basis is there any summons, notice, or a case? I think they should let us know.
no, but the magistrate, now she will be deposing before the magistrate. She'll give a statement. After that, will she be going to the SIT if they call her? Because
if
she
they call,
will be
we'll fix the timings. We will fix the timings because we have to take care of the health of the complainant also. Because yesterday the accused has appeared before the SIT, and SIT he has asked for 4 days time.
So last question is, ACP Kavita has asked that hand over the girl for their investigation. She will take for medical examination. After that, they will take a statement. What was the reply from the judge about that?
That the judge has told that you coordinate with the complainant's advocate and the complainant accordingly. And let them asking is their procedure. That's a duty. And we have to look out the complainant mental status as well as the physical status. If she is unhealthy, I can't ask her. If she is suffering from fever, I can't let her go to SIT, go interrogate her. No, that's not humanity. We have to look at her medical and mental conditions also.
So do you somewhere feel the government involvement in this case?
To great extent it is there. Till now the accused is not arrested. He is roaming scot-free, enjoying the liberty of a state.